Some news just coming in. Arvind Kejriwal's wife Sunita Kejriwal hits the campaign trail, holds a mega roadshow in East Delhi constituency. Sunita claims BJP aims to eliminate Arvind Kejriwal. Sunita Kejriwal says BJP forcibly keeping Arvind Kejriwal in jail. Will fight dictatorship together and win, says Sunita Kejriwal, the wife of jailed Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal.
माँ की ये बेटी आपसे विनती करती है, इस देश को बचा लो, भारत माँ को बचा लो। ये देश तानाशाही की ओर जा रहा है, तानाशाही से बचा लो। अपने वोट की ताकत को समझो आप लोग। 25 मई को आप सभी वोट देने जाएंगे, जाएंगे? पक्का से जाएंगे? और अपने लोकतंत्र को बचाएंगे, तानाशाही को हटाएंगे। जेल का जवाब, जेल का जवाब।
Milind is getting us more details. Milind, in the absence of the Delhi Chief Minister, Sunita Kejriwal, the wife of the Delhi CM, has taken the baton, isn't it? And now campaigning for the party in the crucial Lok Sabha elections, Delhi going to elections on the 25th of May.
Well, yes, Neha. In fact, this is the first road show that she has started with, and she will be doing a lot more door-to-door campaigns across the seats in Delhi as the India Alliance candidates have been fielded, and as well as for the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress candidates in Delhi. And certainly she is speaking as if Arvind Kejriwal's words are coming out from her mouth. If you can hear the speeches, she's talking about how, democracy it needs to be safe to vote. These are the placards and posters that people were holding there. She's saying Arvind Kejriwal is being jailed because he was working for the people of Delhi. And of course, she's appealing people to vote. But, in the absence of the tallest leader of the party, certainly Sunita Kejriwal has taken that baton from Arvind Kejriwal. And every word she says is strategically put forward to make sure that the public sympathy wave continues to stay with Arvind Kejriwal and his arrest that the Aam Aadmi Party has been calling arbitrary. And the fact that she's also said in her speech that Arvind Kejriwal is being investigated and still he's been kept in jail. And that seems to be political vendetta from, the BJP side. And exactly that is being done. In fact, people were euphoric enough to see her around. There are many who had been saying that they missed Arvind Kejriwal's presence, and within his absence, of course, the words and the speeches, everything that Sunita Kejriwal is saying is meticulously written and conceptualized in a way to keep the memory of Arvind Kejriwal in the minds of the voters ahead of the voting in the Delhi in the Delhi Lok Sabha elections this time.
Very interesting that she is in fact speaking in such a way to ensure that the Arvind Kejriwal connect is there. I want to ask you, Milind, you did say that we'll be seeing more such roadshows in days to come. If you could give us a sense of what to expect then in the next few days.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. Sources in the party have told us that this is not going to be a one-off situation because the lack of leaders at the top rank of the Aam Aadmi Party has left many with less time to sort of campaign, and which is why today in the road show you saw only Sunita Kejriwal. There wasn't any other leader with her, neither Sanjay Singh, who's currently looking at the helm of campaigning for the party in Gujarat. Other leaders like Atishi were also not present in that particular road show alongside her. She has given speeches on the stage with other party alliance leaders. But in days to come, she's going to visit other Delhi constituencies, do door-to-door campaigns, as well as padyatras to convince people about the work of Arvind Kejriwal and how his memories, need to stay with the people so that the connect remains even while he is in jail.
Absolutely. Milind, I'm going to thank you for getting us those details, Milind Sharma, with that report on how Sunita Kejriwal is campaigning for Aam Aadmi Party, of course, keeping the connect of Arvind Kejriwal there intact.